So I'm here with Bernie, where we are talking about the BOB values. So if you have had any interaction with us, I'm sure you will have heard about our values because we talk about them a lot because they're incredibly important to us. So we have 4 values at BOB, and that is to be kind, resilient, collaborative, and trustworthy. And I'm going to just have a chat now with the lovely Bernie about our value of being kind. So Bernie, what does being kind in the context of BOB mean to you?
Oh, in the context of Bob, I think kindness really is at the core of everything we do, especially given the last year with the pandemic. But I think, one memory that I really have that sticks out from the start of me joining Bob was you got us all in a room and we went through our values together. And I think the way that you and other co-founder Mark presented our values, I think kindness was one that we were really keen to make sure kind of shone through in everything that we do. And I think that's really important, especially from the client services point of view, because we work with both people in the NHS, in health and social care, and then also with industry. And obviously these people are very busy and they've got lots of different priorities. And I think it's really important that we're kind in our approach to them and understanding in kind of the things that they have going on and helping them along the way to kind of share some of the good stuff that they're doing.
Amazing. And how do you think, when people see the word that we're kind and we're resilient, some people kind of think there's a bit of a rub there. So what's going on with those 2 values for you?
Yeah, definitely. It's a really good point. And I think there could appear to be a rub, but there definitely doesn't have to be. And I actually think back to some training I had in a previous job, and it was all around resilience. And the lady was just amazing that presented this training. And she was the most kind person you could have wished to have met. But she was so resilient, and some of the things that she spoke about and the way that you can deliver that resilience were actually really similar to the way that we work with Bob. And I think being in a startup, you definitely do need that level of resilience, and especially in a sector where things can move quite slowly, you do need to have that resilience, but also doing it in a kind way, coming from a point of understanding of where other people are coming from. So although there could appear to be a rub, I think given our culture at Bob, and actually the culture of the NHS, is a kind and resilient place to work from that kind of perspective. So yeah, I think it's they're 2 really important values that we have, and I think we do live by them every day.
Cool. Well, you definitely, you exude all of our values, and it's always a delight and a pleasure to work with you.
Oh, you too.
Good. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye.